The genuine sound of Christmas in Greece is represented by traditional Greek carols, a unique and cherished tradition with ancient origins that is still practiced with the same enthusiasm today. Before major celebration days like Christmas, New Year's, and others, the Greek carols are customarily sung by small children or groups of people, accompanied by traditional musical instruments like a triangle, lute, drum, or flute. They are performed from house to house, in stores, in public, and more. The Greek term for carols, kalanda, is derived from the Greek verb kallo, call, and the Latin word kalenda, which signifies the start of the month. Due to the discovery of the old written writings that resemble modern carols, their history is linked to that of ancient Greece. In Greece alone, Christmas Eve carols are the most popular, with over 30 variants. Additionally, they are typically classified as national or local based on the region. It is customary for young children to go from house to house on the morning of Christmas Eve with their triangles, ringing the bell and asking, "Can we say it?" The song begins as soon as the house lord responds, "Say it." Carols are a blend of spiritual and religious content. The greeting is the first thing said, followed by an announcement of the big event and a last wish. The goal is to thrill the listener, who is required by tradition to offer in exchange either a good, such as a candy or dry fruits that was usually given in the past, or cash nowadays. Carols sung on Christmas Eve proclaim the birth of Christ. Typically, the song's final wishes to the house and its landlord leave kids smiling and curious to see how much money they received this time. During the early period of the reigning republic in Greece, the custom of reciting carols by the men of the palace guard before the kings was established. This tradition remains to this day before the head of the Greek state, which has been generalized by traditional groups and cultural associations. Many generations of Greeks have sung the same Christmas carol song every year, keeping this special tradition alive in our hearts and minds.